Today's do-it-yourselfer is the AudioSource LS 300. This speaker was purchased at a garage sale for a total of $3. Current status of speaker is it is not working. No sound output. Backstory on the speaker is it worked great until the family moved and dropped it and it quit working. So what I'm going to do is remove the front panel so I can access the main screws, check the unit, clean the unit because it's very dirty. Then I will get inside and see what's wrong, if any wires are broken loose or whatever. We're going to go ahead and clean it, get it all shiny, get all the dust out of it. Now these back terminals are push locks and I do want to clean them because they do look rusty. So I'm going to go ahead and take those out, and as you can see, the box has a little damage on it from being outside, which is okay. Nothing we can't fix with a little paint. This speaker was outside, mounted on a deck overhang, exposed to the elements year-round. Okay, we're going to clean the terminal because it's a little rusty from being out in the rain. Terminals are now clean. They look a lot better. Alright, it's time to get into the speaker and see what the issue is. Okay, I can see the issue right off the bat. The negative wire going to the tweeter is disconnected. This results in no speaker sound. It should be a simple fix. The speakers look fine. There is no damage internally that I can see. We have an 8 ohm 100 watt maximum rated speaker, and that's a good thing. I should be able just to resolder this wire back on and the speaker should work. So let's get to that right now. We'll put some solder on this baby and see if it works. Got everything reconnected, so it's time to test it. It's working. It works good. Sounds great. Actually, it sounds pretty awesome. It had a bad solder connection inside of it. There's a couple of wires disconnected in here, so I reconnected them. And as you can see, it's working fine. Yeah, that sounds really good. It's not even turned up, so I'm really happy with it. There's a few cosmetic issues, but I can take care of that with a little paint, and we'll add this one to the collection. So Audiosource outside 4-inch two-way speaker. Took it apart and fixed it, and it works fine. Thanks for watching, everybody.